Hello, RJTM75 here. Welcome to this pack opening. Just opening one pack. I just won the Division 2 Championship, so I got enough to open one Gold Premium pack. We want to have a good player on the front. Who do we want on the front? Who do we want? No, I don't like Marquise here. Benzema, yeah, Benzema will do. Benzema, and not play Chamberlain. What do we get? Samba. Chris Samba. Oh my god. That's just about my luck in a pack. I got someone that's 10% good with his hands. A Fulham kit. Some Polish man. Daniel something. That is a rubbish pack. Right, I'm just gonna see if he was might sell for about 700 coins. Put him up for 650. Alright, this has been RJTM75 here with a pack opening. See you next time.